Okay, the next one I'm going to do is number 9. So again, we're solving for my variable y. Okay, so the first step we need to remember is we're looking to see if there's anything we have to distribute. Do we have any parentheses? On this side, I have a parentheses. I take whatever is attached directly, and I have to distribute it through. All I see is a negative sign. When you see that negative sign, it's like saying there is a negative 1 right here that we need to distribute through. Okay, so I'm not touching my 8y. Bring down my 8y. Negative 1 times a 5y is negative 5y. And then negative 1 times 2 is a negative 2. Bring down your equal sign. We haven't done anything with the 16. The next step you're looking to do is seeing if you have anything to combine. Any like terms to combine. On this side, if I have 8y here, and they take away 5y, that leaves me with 3y minus 2. I can't combine it with anything else. Equals 16. Now, the next step is you're looking to see if you can move this, move the smallest variable. You're looking to see if you need to move the variable over to another side. Here, my variable is on one side, so do I need to move it? No. So the last thing you're going to do is solve for it. And whatever you see happening, you're going to do the opposite. So here, with my y, I see it being multiplied by 3, and then they subtracted 2. So remember, the last thing I see is the first thing I do, so I'm going to add 2 to get rid of that, and then I'm going to divide by 3. So we add 2 to both sides first. Cancels. I can bring down my 3y, bring down my equal sign, and 16 plus 2 is 18. Done. The last thing I need to do is divide out by 3. That cancels. Bring down your y, and 18 divided by 3 is positive 6. So y is equal to 6. And the last one I'm doing is number 10. So again, the variable I'm solving for is d, and I see a bunch of d's, and I see them on both sides. So the first thing we're looking to do always is, do we have anything to distribute? No, I don't have any parentheses, so I don't need to distribute. The second thing you're looking to do is combine like terms. On this side, do I have anything I can combine? I have 60 here and a negative 1 here. So 60, you have 60 and you take 1 away, you have 5. Bring down your negative 12, you didn't combine that with anything. Equals. On this side, what do you have to combine? I have a 90 here and a positive 1 here, so you have 9, you add 1. Now you have 10, and then bring down your positive 53. Okay, so now we combined. The next thing we want to do is, I still have variables on both sides, so I need to move my smallest variable. Okay, so out of 5D and 10D, which one's smaller? 5. It's positive, so how do I get rid of it? We take it away. On this side it cancels. I can bring down my negative 12. My equal sign follows the line. You have 10D and you take away 5. You're left with 5D. Bring down your plus 53. Okay, so you finally have your variable on one side. So now you can move everything to the other side. So whatever you see happening, you're going to do the opposite in order to move it. So the first thing I see happening to my variable is they multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5, and then they added 53. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 53. And then divide by 5. So take away 53 from both sides first. That's going to cancel. Leave me with 5D on this side. And then negative 12 minus 53 is negative 65. Divide out by 5. Cancels. D is equal to negative 65 divided by 5 is negative 13.